We're currently in Hawaii. I was in Vancouver for a couple of days and I was in Washington for Thanksgiving. And now it's December and we're spending Christmas in Hawaii and I'm super excited. My whole like immediate family is here and family trips have just been even more special with everyone.
Hey guys, so this is me putting on deodorant.
Okay, anyway, it's been even more special with like all the kids graduating and leaving. Millie's the only one still in the house with my parents. So it's kind of like our own little family reunion. Today's our second full day in Hawaii and we're about to go to the beach and go swimming. We went to the first beach, Poipu Beach, and we swam for a little bit, saw some turtles, but now we're going to another beach.
The lid just broke.
It's not even that funny. Why are you laughing so hard?
What do you mean, why are you laughing? You're cry laughing.
Stop laughing.
It wasn't
Okay, even that funny.
I hate everyone. Just shut up already. Put me with that man right there.
In the graveyard. It's a little more windy. It's actually sunny on this beach.
Sacred place among the flowers blooming, my heart did sigh, yearning for a love.
Most of the family realized that they're extremely sunburnt, so now we have to leave even though I'm not even a little bit tan. I don't even have a single tan line yet. Stomach. Oh. Even though I'm in the middle of drinking an energy drink, we're trying this place called Kauai coffee. Wait, why do I want this? It's really cute. We're at a coffee shop right now. Let's see the damages. Show us your legs. What? As I said, we're at Kauai coffee and I got this cute t-shirt. Let's see your shirt. Now turn. Cute. Coffee's all here. They hate the turtles.
Your chocolate.
My dad made steak, potatoes, and salad for dinner, and we're about to go eat. And the sunset is looking very pretty. Good afternoon. It is our third day here, and we've been kind of just rotting at the pool. And I came up for a quick bite and to get some water, so I'm about to head back down and join my sisters because they're waiting. Ava, wave. I have been reading the book Divine Rivals and I have been absolutely loving it. I am at about 61% of the way through, and so I've just been rotten and reading today, which I love. I'm trying to get a tan because I've been very white from living in Alaska all summer. I should not have been holding your hand because my whole top. Oh my god, and you got it on camera!
Gosh, only you can see this.
You're what?
Getting ready for Diddy.
I don't know what that means. We're at the beach right now and I have a sore throat, so now I'm in a bad mood. And my parents are snorkeling. I'm just kidding, I'm in a fine mood. Oh, Ava!
Why do you hit the jam?
All those chickens.
Why can't you grab the stuff? Look, some of them are birds. Oh wait, no, I'm just dumb.
It's been a couple of days. I have been dealing with acute tonsillitis and I was in urgent care like all yesterday. So still healing from that, but we are back and feeling better and we're about to go to a coffee shop. So let's go get some coffee. Before we actually leave, I need to take my medicine, except I have no water in here. Yeah, gotta make sure that shit goes away.
Beat it up.
Silas, good morning. Haven't seen you all morning.
He's just been sitting in the living room.
Really?
Right next to you.
Yeah.
The whole morning.
out of people's bowls while they're eating them, and I don't want it to like peck me, so Millie is squirting them with water. Okay, Millie, this is where you really have to be on your guard because he will eat it out of your bowl.
Well, I'm eating it with the arm, so.
Millie, right here.
Mom, stop making me mad. Like, seriously, that's to a point.
Hey, you're just squirting me. Maybe this is why they're so.
He just went and put.
This thing doesn't come out. Ah! This doesn't squirt very much. Mom, he's coming. Mom. Head on a swivel. Head on a swivel.
I wanted to jump on the What were we doing?
Recording a video.
Can you get a...
This rooster right there will jump on the table and eat your food, so make sure you have the spray bottle.
Or you just punch it. What do you get, Ava?
Not Dad just chasing the chicken.
Chasing him all day.
Stas is eating turkey. It's just scared of Dad. We just made it to the beach. You're not very good at this.
Oh, I see that.
See ya. You're welcome. I'm 96% of the way through this book, so it's almost over, and there's not a second book out currently, and everything is going to shit. And I know I'm just gonna need the second book immediately, but it's not ready, so that's tragic. So I guess I lied, book 2 is out, so I'm gonna connect to my hotspot really fast and download it, because I need it. Overall, what do you guys rate that beach out of the ones we've been to so far? I would say it's the best one we've been to, or I've been to. Yeah, because I like that pool. We got ready and watched the sunset, and now we're heading to dinner. It was butt cheeks up.
I'm trying not to get my butt cheeks in it.
I got a vanilla milkshake, and I ordered the Kauai burger, which had teriyaki sauce, pineapple, onions, and cheese, and some other stuff. I don't know. I don't remember. How was it?
Very good, actually.
Good morning, it's the next day, and we're going on a hike in the Waimea Canyon called Canyon Trail Black Pipe Trail Loop. So we'll see how the hike is. It might be crazy, but not. That was there before, right? Oh, that is going right into my eyes. The mountains are looking extra fake today. The brakes, we got it on video, Dad. How's it going?
How was it?
That's so funny. No way!
I normally forget.
Sweaters for life. Just finished our hike. It's a little over 3 miles. Super pretty. And now we're gonna drive back. We just arrived at a warehouse and we're gonna check it out. I think there's like some farmers market type stands. Maybe get some coffee. We went to that super cute warehouse that had like a farmer's market type of thing inside. So I want to show you what I got. I can show you this because this is gonna come out after Christmas, but I got this bag because it'd just be a good Christmas present and it can be used for like makeup or putting like stuff into, because this is waterproof and this is gonna be a gift for someone in my life. Got this super cute hat for this brand, this charm bracelet that just has a bunch of flowers and it's super cute, and I'm gonna put it on actually right now.
Let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my best can't escape me. My pussy precedes me.